Here we will write a Python program to print a triangle with 0 and 1. So in comment line we will write first. We will print the triangle like this. In first row we will print 0. Then in second row we will print 1 and 0. In third row we will print 0, 1, 0. In fourth row we will print 1, 0, 1, 0 and so on. First we will accept number of rows to print from the user. So row equal to int input, enter number of rows to print. Then we will declare one variable I. Then we will declare one integer variable I which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to row. Since we are going to print only 0 and 1, here we will check if I mod 2 equal to 0, we will assign p equal to 1 and q equal to 0. Else we will assign p equal to 0 and q equal to 1. Then we will declare another variable j which is initialized with 1, and we will use another while loop. So while j less than I, and here we will check if j mod 2 equal to 0, we will print p, else we will print q, and we will increase j. So j equal to j plus 1, and outside this while loop we will increment I. So I equal to I plus 1. When we execute this, I will give rows as 6. It will not print any triangle. It will print all the numbers in different rows. For this, here we will use end statement. So p comma end, and we will separate it with space. So end equal to space in double quote. And here also we will print end equal to space in double quote. If we execute this, it will print all in single row. To move to next line, before incrementing I, we will use only print. So it will move to next line. So if we execute this, and if I give 4, it will print a triangle with 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. If I execute again, and if I give 6, it will print 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and so on.